Hi, this is Scott Schmerin. Imagine, if you would, if there was a system you could use in your practice, and truthfully, you could even use in your own personal life, that would help you eliminate all the old junk, garbage, and crap from your past, the old limiting values and beliefs, things from your environment, even going all the way back to when you were a kid, and getting rid of any trauma that might exist that keeps you from moving forward, and then be able to create a vision of how you want your life to be as if it's happening now, living the life of your dreams and making it real right here in your subconscious mind. And then being able to reinforce those behaviors and creating a routine that will bring you lifelong success. Whether your clients are looking to lose weight, stop smoking, become healthier, how about to be more successful, increase their sales? How about to make more money, improve their relationships, every aspect of their life? You could use it for yourself too. I have been working on this program for more than 20 years. It is my life's work. I am passionate about it. The Quatric formula for success can help you in your practice and your own personal life. And on Monday, the 24th of July, I will be doing a one-day program where we will cover this entire program, and I will teach you how to use this for any issue your clients bring to you. I will teach you specific types of routines and go over the 4 key areas that are necessary for making permanent and lasting change. I call them the 4 R's. They are relax, release, reprogram, and reinforce. And I will do hypnosis sessions with you as a group so you can experience what it's like and you can begin to structure things that work. I have priced this program at $195. Why? Because it's important for me to share it with you. This is my passion in life. So, how do I know this program works? Well, this is what I used to look like. You see, I was the experiment for this program. I have lost and kept off almost 200 pounds now for over 15 years. And this program has transformed every single aspect of my life, as well as my clients. More happiness and joy, more success. Every aspect of my life has changed. So I encourage you to join me and the hundreds of other people that have experienced this program and literally changed every aspect of their life. And they are living the life of their dreams. So join me on Monday, the 24th of July at HypnoThoughts Live post-conference. I look forward to seeing you there. I hope you have a great day. Take care.